The chords A, B and CD intersect in a circle show that AP times BP is equal to CP times DP. So what we've got here is two chords, AB, which is this one, and CD, and they intersect at P. Okay, and what we've got to show is that this distance, AP times BP, is equal to CP times DP. Now, for IGCSE, you don't actually have to know the proof, but it's interesting to look at it. So consider triangle PBC. Triangle PBC is this one there. I've just coloured that in red there. And triangle PDA. PDA is that triangle there, which I've just coloured in dark blue there. Now, angle CBP, that one there, alpha, is equal to angle ADP. Now, the reason for that is that these angles are in the same segment, therefore they are equal. So, reason, angles in the same segment. Angle BPB, which is this angle here, beta, is going to be equal to angle DPA, this angle here, all right, because these two are vertically opposite. Then angle BCP, this one here, is going to be equal to angle DAP, because the angle sum in a triangle, all right, if these two are the same, then the third one must also be the same, because the angle sum of the triangle is 180. Therefore, this triangle here, PBC, and this one here are what's known as similar triangles. Now, if they're similar triangles, then their sides are in the same ratio. So we can now say BP, this distance here, over DP, this distance here, is equal to CP over AP. And then if we cross multiply, so multiplying that up here and this up here, we end up with the required result, which is AP times BP is equal to CP times DP. Okay, so this has been a video to show you why the intersecting chords rule with AP times BP is equal to CP times DP. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.